Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Food Service Cart is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable pieces of equipment in any bustling kitchen, restaurant, or catering operation, designed to streamline the movement of food, drinks, and supplies with unparalleled efficiency and ease. These carts are engineered to handle the demands of high-volume environments, ensuring that your culinary creations reach their destination promptly and in pristine condition, making them an essential tool for any food service professional aiming to optimize workflow and enhance customer satisfaction. Number 5. VIVOHOME Heavy Duty Garden Cart. Introducing the VIVOHOME Heavy Duty Garden Cart, designed to make your toughest outdoor tasks effortless. Its robust construction and impressive capacity handle any load with ease. Crafted from high-quality, anti-rust metal with a fully welded mesh bed, this cart is built for durability. Its superior craftsmanship ensures a long service life, outperforming traditional wheelbarrows on any terrain. Experience a quieter, smoother ride thanks to its pneumatic tires. These large, shock-absorbing wheels provide excellent load-bearing capacity and adapt to various road conditions, making transport a breeze. Navigate your yard with ease using the 180 degrees turn handle. Its ergonomic design allows for comfortable, multi-directional hauling, transforming tiresome transports into efficient, one-time trips. Don't let cargo size limit you. With removable mesh sides, this versatile wagon easily converts into a flatbed trailer, perfect for carrying large or awkward items. It's your ultimate companion for all yard work. This cart boasts a maximum load capacity of 880 pounds, significantly more than competitors. It's the practical and convenient solution for moving anything too heavy or awkward to carry. What we like. If you need to haul extremely heavy loads, this cart is your best bet. Its robust construction and high weight capacity mean you can move almost anything. If you often deal with large, bulky items like landscaping supplies or construction materials, this cart will turn a multi-trip job into one. What people say. Maneuverability for the front wheels. You can practically make tight turns. One set of wheels pivots and the other is stationary, making it maneuver like a luggage cart. Its ability to go cross-country is quite good. Number 4. MaxWorks 807743 Shelf Utility Cart. Introducing the MaxWorks 807743 Shelf Utility Cart. It's designed for versatility in any environment, from your garage to your kitchen. The shelves are made from durable polypropylene that's easy to clean and resistant to rust and stains. They won't dent, ensuring a long-lasting finish. Assembly is a breeze with its rust-proof aluminum legs. Plus, the push handle on each side offers convenient maneuverability. Each shelf features built-in side rails to keep your items securely in place. No more worrying about loads sliding off during transport. Maneuvering this cart is effortless thanks to its 4 non-marring swivel casters. Move it wherever you need it with ease. This cart boasts a robust load capacity, with each tray supporting up to 75 pounds, and a total combined capacity of 225 pounds. What we like. For lighter, everyday tasks in a clean environment, this cart is a great choice. Its plastic shelves are easy to clean and won't rust, making it ideal for kitchens, workshops, or garages where spills might occur. If you need a reliable cart for organizing tools or supplies that don't require extreme weight support, this one offers convenience and durability. What people say. The cart is very sturdy and well built, with a durable stainless steel construction that makes it easy to clean and maintain. It features multiple spacious shelves that can hold a significant amount of food items, and the smooth rolling casters allow for easy maneuverability around the kitchen. The design is practical and functional, with a convenient handle for pushing and pulling, and the overall build quality is excellent for heavy-duty use. Number 3. WDT 990 pounds Heavy-Duty Rolling Utility Cart. Introducing a heavy-duty rolling utility cart built to last. Constructed from industrial-strength metal with an anti-rust finish, it can effortlessly support up to 990 pounds. Navigate your space with ease thanks to 4 silent, 360 degrees casters. 2 of these are equipped with locks, ensuring it stays firmly in place when needed. This cart features a comfortable push bar, a ventilated basket, and adjustable shelves. It also includes liners and hooks for added versatility. With its robust design and ample storage, this utility cart is perfect for kitchens, restaurants, offices, garages, and more. It's ideal for organizing both small and large items. Setting up this cart is a breeze, taking only about 15 minutes with no tools required. We stand by its quality and are here to answer any questions within 24 hours. What we like. This cart is perfect for busy commercial environments like restaurants or kitchens where frequent, smooth, and quiet transport of goods is essential. Its high weight capacity and anti-rust finish ensure longevity and ease of cleaning. If you need a sturdy, reliable, and easy-to-maneuver cart for heavy-duty service tasks, this one offers excellent stability and quiet operation. What people say. Easy to put together, roomy, easy to wheel around, good design, holds a lot of materials. Very sturdy, does not wobble. The size is perfect for household use. The 4-inch wheels roll easily, even over plush carpet. Assembly should take less than 30 minutes. Built with a sturdy metal frame, it offers an impressive 990 pounds weight capacity, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks in kitchens, restaurants, and warehouses. The cart features smooth rolling wheels that provide excellent mobility, even when fully loaded, and the handlebar ensures easy maneuverability. Number 2. WDT Heavy Duty 3-Tier Utility Cart. Experience exceptional durability with its robust metal build, enhanced with a high-temperature baking varnish for superior rust and oxidation resistance. This cart is designed to hold substantial weight, supporting up to 330 pounds per tier and a total of 992 pounds. Setting up this utility cart is a breeze, requiring no tools and taking just about 10 minutes. Its simple structure ensures you can start organizing your space right away. Tailor the storage space to your needs with adjustable shelves. You can easily change the height of each tier in 1-inch increments to accommodate items of various sizes. Navigate your space with ease thanks to its 4 silent wheels, 2 of which come with locking brakes for added stability. They ensure smooth, quiet movement during everyday use. This cart is incredibly versatile, serving perfectly as a kitchen organizer, bathroom storage, or even a tool cart. Its adaptable design makes it suitable for kitchens, living rooms, bathrooms, and more. Measuring 35.04 L x 32.52 H x 18.11 W, this mobile cart offers a practical storage solution. We stand by its quality and are here to assist with any questions you may have. What we like. If you need a versatile cart that can adapt to various item sizes for storage and transport, this is the one. Its high weight capacity and adjustable shelves make it suitable for a wide range of uses, from hardware to household items. If you appreciate a durable, rust-resistant finish and the flexibility to customize shelf spacing, this cart offers great value for organizing and moving items in diverse settings. What people say. This heavy-duty 3-tier utility cart is sturdy, holds a significant amount of weight, and moves smoothly on its durable wheels, with 2 lockable for stability. The removable handlebar is a standout feature, allowing the cart to double as a stationary shelf when needed. This cart is especially strong, capable of holding 330 pounds on each of its 3 shelves. Its wheels are of quality material and are strong while being an unobtrusive, well-proportioned size with locks. Number 1. WDT 990 pounds capacity heavy-duty rolling utility cart. Experience unmatched strength and durability with this cart, crafted from chrome-finished steel to resist corrosion and dirt. Its robust construction ensures it can handle your toughest tasks. This cart offers generous storage across its 3 tiers, providing substantial space without taking up too much room. It's designed to create more storage where you need it most. With an impressive weight capacity of 990 pounds, this cart is built for heavy loads. Its adjustable shelves allow you to customize the spacing for items of all sizes. Setting up this cart is a breeze, requiring no tools and taking only about 10 minutes. All necessary parts are included for a quick and simple assembly process. This cart is incredibly versatile, perfect for kitchens, restaurants, garages, and more. Its smooth rolling wheels, 2 with brakes, make it easy to move and secure wherever you need it. What we like. For those who prioritize robust construction and a premium feel, this cart stands out. Its chrome-finished steel build and extra weight suggest superior durability for demanding applications. If you're looking for a heavy-duty, long-lasting cart for commercial or intensive home use, and appreciate a sleek look along with substantial capacity, this option provides a strong and reliable solution. What people say. The cart rolls easily and is easy to maneuver. The wheels will lock in place to keep it from moving when you don't want it to move. It holds a ton of weight and makes moving the heavy containers effortless. The wheels glide and swivel smoothly. The cart is large and tall, still have a lot of room on the bottom shelf. It rolls effortlessly and is easy to maneuver, with lockable wheels to keep it securely in place when needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.